Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can start an affiliate program on your WordPress website using a free plugin. If you are running an e-commerce website, then you can start commission-based affiliate program on your website. People will start promoting and selling your products on their social media platforms, YouTube channel, or on their blog. And by selling your products, they will also get commission. The name of the plugin is Affiliate Press. This plugin has free as well as premium version. So I'll start with the free plugin and later I'll install the pro version also. I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro plugin. The premium version of this plugin will cost you only $49 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use the link. So let's see how we can start an affiliate program on a WordPress website using free Affiliate Press plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I'm going to start with the installation of the free Affiliate Press plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. In order to install the free plugin, you will need to download the plugin from this website, affiliatepressplugin.com. I'll give you the link in the description box. You will see an option here, download for free. Click on it and download the free version of the plugin. I have already downloaded the plugin and it is saved on the computer. So let's go back to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And click on upload plugin, click on choose file or browse file, and I'm going to browse the plugin file. Click on install now, click on activate plugin. Plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel you will see the option here, Affiliate Press. Click on it and it will run a setup wizard. Let's go through the wizard. Company name will be your business name. This is from email, which is nothing but your business email. This is admin email address. Below that you will see allow affiliate sign up. Enable this option so that people will be able to sign up to your affiliate program. Auto approve and activate new user registration, which is also enabled. So it is going to auto approve the affiliate account. If you want to approve the affiliate account manually, you can disable this option. Help us improve by sending anonymous usage stats. I'm going to disable it. Click on next. Here you will see commission settings. Commission rate is set to 10%. That means the affiliate user will earn 10% commission on selling the product. If you want to change that number, you can change that number. Let's make it 20%. You will see option here, percentage of fixed rate. Then we have flat rate commission basis. You will see two different options here. Flat rate commission per product sold or flat rate commission per order. Below that you will see currency. Currently it is set to US dollar. You can select the currency based on your website currency. Then we have payment minimum amount, which is set to $10. I'm going to make it $50. Integration. Currently this website is using WooCommerce. You will see different options there. AR member, easy digital download, member press, Sure Card, WP Easy Card, Ninja Forms, Gravity Forms, Learn Press, Get Paid, AR Forms, Learn Dash. So based on your website, you can select the integration. I'm going to select WooCommerce. Then we have refund grace period. So I'm going to make it, let's say 15 days and click next. Email notification. Whenever there is new account created, it is going to send notification. Account pending notification. Then we have commission registered notification. These two emails will be sent to admin. And below that you will see affiliate notifications, which will be sent to affiliate user, account pending, commission approved, and commission paid. If you want to disable any one of these notifications, you can disable from here. I'm going to keep it as it is and click on next. In the next you will see style settings. Font setting is set to Poppins. You can change the font and you will see the primary color, background color, panel color. So these are the style settings. I'm going to keep the same style settings. Click on finish and click on start exploring. Now we are on the dashboard on the Affiliate Press plugin. On the dashboard, you will see total commission, unpaid commission, visits, affiliates, commission count, and total revenue. Now this is the dashboard of the admin, not the affiliate user. When you install the plugin, it is going to create some pages automatically. Let's go to pages, and you will see this page is created, affiliate panel, which will be used for the affiliate user. Then we have affiliate sign up, which is a sign up form to create an affiliate account. So I'm going to open this sign up page. Here you will see affiliate sign up page, and I'm going to open this sign up page on a different browser where I'm not logged in, and I'll see how we can sign up. So here I have opened the same sign up page in a different browser, and I'm going to sign up as an affiliate user. Let's see how does this work. I'm going to fill up some dummy information here. How will you promote us? I'm going to use YouTube channel to promote the products. I agree with terms and condition and click on create account. So it is now going to create an affiliate user account. So this is the dashboard for the affiliate user. On the dashboard, you will see total earnings, paid earnings, unpaid earnings, visits, commission, and commission rates. At the top, you will see the menu bar here. If I go to commission, it will show the details of the commission earned. Then we have affiliate links. Using this link, I can promote the product. So I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to open this link in another browser. So I have used an affiliate link to open this website. All right, so this is the affiliate link. Okay, now let's go back to admin dashboard. Let's go back to settings, affiliate price, and go to settings. All right, so we are on the settings page of the plugin. At the top, you will see general. These are the general settings. Allow affiliate registration is enabled. Auto approve is also enabled. Then we have tracking cookie days and affiliate URL parameter. So this is the affiliate URL parameter, and it is using AF-ref. If you want to change this affiliate URL parameter, you can change it. This is how the affiliate link will look like. You will see this parameter here. So if I want to change it, I can change it. Let's say param, and you will see that change here. So this is the parameter that we have used. If you want to enable fancy affiliate URL, you can enable it from here. Just need to enable it, and you will see the change in the URL structure. So I'm going to use this structure. Below that, you will see allow affiliate user to close their account. Let's enable that option also, so that user will also be able to delete their account. Help us improve affiliate price by sending anonymous usage stats. If you want to enable, you can enable it. Otherwise, you can disable it. Below that, you will see currency settings, page settings. It has already created some pages automatically, and we are using those pages for affiliate sign up and affiliate panel. Then we have CAPTCHA integration. If you want to enable Google reCAPTCHA, you can enable the Google reCAPTCHA, and here you can enter the reCAPTCHA site key and the secret key. Then we have setup wizard. That is the basic setup wizard that we already went through. Let's go up, go to commissions, and these are the commission settings. Currently it is set to 20% commission, and we used the setup wizard to set up this commission. Allow affiliates to earn commission for their own orders. If the affiliate user is making purchase on your website, they will also be eligible to earn the commission. If you want that, you can enable this one. Then we have allow zero amount commission. Then we have refund grace period, which is 15, and payment minimum amount is set to 50. Commission billing cycle for automatic payout is monthly, and you can set up a date here. A day of billing cycle for automatic payout is set to 3. So the billing cycle will be 3rd of each month. Then we have default commission status. Let's go to the next option, that is integration. Currently this website is using WooCommerce, and the WooCommerce integration is enabled, in which we have exclude shipping, exclude taxes, and reject commission on refund. So these options are enabled. It is going to reject the commission on a refund. Below that, you will see integration for AR member, easy digital downloads, booking price, member price, sure cart, and all the other options. If you are using any one of these plugins on your website, you can enable the integration for that plugin. Then we have email settings. These are the email notifications. It is going to use the WordPress default email delivery method. And here you will see company name, from email, and admin email. Then we have label. These are the default labels. I don't think you need to make any changes to the labels. The default labels look good. Appearance is nothing but the style settings. If you want to change the colors, you can change the color. Now in the left hand panel, you'll see commission. Let's go to commissions. It will show you the details of all the commissions. Then you will see visit. It will show you the list of all the visits, affiliates, how many affiliates are there. We have one affiliate here. Then we have creatives. From here you can manage all the creatives, payouts. These are the payout settings. Notifications. These are the notification emails. For account pending, it is going to send an email to the affiliate user, as well as it is going to send an email to administrator. And this is going to be the content in the email. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Once the account is approved, it is going to send an email to the affiliate user and to the affiliate admin. If you want to disable any one of these notifications, you can disable the notification from here and save it. Then we have form editor, which is nothing but the sign up form. You will see the sign up form here: first name, last name, username, email, password, payout email, website, and how will you promote us. Below that we have terms and conditions. Now let's go to add-ons. Here you will see list of add-ons that you can use. For these add-ons, you need to go for the pro version of the plugin. If you want to create coupon codes, then you need to go for pro version. Coupon code, product wise commission, products selection, fraud protection, performance bonus, sign up bonus, affiliate QR codes, affiliate leaderboard, multi-level commission, tiered commission rate, affiliate landing page, recurring commission. Now let's go back to affiliate user dashboard. Here you will see the menu. Let's go to affiliate links, and you will see the change in the links structure. We change the parameter here, and you will see new link structure. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to open the website using the affiliate link. So we have opened this website using the affiliate link. Now let's say I want to promote this product. So I'm going to open this product. I'm going to copy this product and I want an affiliate link of this product as an affiliate user. So let's go back to dashboard, and you will see an option here, generate affiliate link. Click on it and enter the product link, and I'm going to add campaign name, let's say promote, and click on generate link. So it is going to create a link for this particular product. So I can copy this link and I can use this link to promote this particular product. If I enter the link, it will open that product affiliate link. So it is very easy to create an affiliate program on your WordPress website using the free plugin. I do have the pro version of the plugin, so I'm going to install the pro version of the affiliate press plugin. So let's go back to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And I have already downloaded the plugin, so I'm going to upload the pro version of the plugin and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so the pro version is installed and it is activated. If I go to affiliate press, you will see an option for the license key. So click on license key, and here I need to enter the license key. So I'm going to select the package. I'm using the standard package. Let me show you the package here. I'm using this package standard, which is $49 per year. You will get access to 22 plus integration, unlimited affiliates, unlimited commissions, unlimited payouts, manual payout, PayPal payout options. These are the add-ons which I can use. If I go to my account, you will see an option to download the pro version and download the add-ons. So if I click on add-ons, you will see the list of all the add-ons which are available in the standard package. Here you will see I have access to MailChimp integration, a waiver integration. Then we have fraud protection, sign up bonus, easy migration tool. If I go to next, I can create affiliate leaderboard, product selection, affiliate QR codes, performance bonus. Let's go to settings and I'm going to enter the license key and activate the license. Alright, so the pro version is activated and you will see some other options are available. Import export option is now available. Now if I go to form editor, you will see an option to customize the sign up form. So I can add more elements in the sign up form. If I want to disable or delete any one of these elements, I can delete the elements also. And if I want additional features in the affiliate program, I can always go for the pro version of the plugin. The standard pro version will cost you only $49 per year for a single website. You will also get 14 days money back guarantee. If you go for the professional version, it will cost you $99 per year for 3 websites. and you will get access to more add-ons as compared to the standard version of Affiliate Press plugin. So if you are running an e-commerce website, you can start an affiliate program using the free Affiliate Press plugin. If you want advanced features, you can go for the pro version of the plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.